And the second stop on the road to ICO is in Vilnius, Lithuania, where Jur is attending the ICO pitch competition at D10E. Here, Jur is looking for strategic partners to extend its network. The city recently became one of the most important European crypto investment hubs after Lithuania launched Europe's first blockchain center in Vilnius, attracting entrepreneurs, decision makers, and experts from around the world to share ideas, know-how, and best practices. This leading conference on decentralization in Vilnius attracted hundreds of investors, cryptographers, ICOs builders, and lawyers, looking forward to imagine and draw the near future. Jur is creating a consensus-based dispute resolution system that will allow anyone all around the world to make agreements easily on the blockchain, escrow money, and in case of a dispute, obtain justice quickly at negligible cost.
How many of you have ever signed a contract of any kind, like service, business? Okay, many of you. And how many of you have not been paid or had problems for a work done, even there is a signed contract? We are in the same boat.
With Jur, we want to create a better system. We will offer a better alternative to the current legal and contractual system using the blockchain, by giving the community of Jur token holders the ability to judge disputes and earn rewards for studying disputes and voting for the fairest proposed resolutions.
Jur foresees also a marketplace. The Jur community can use these applications by paying a fee to the contractor. We are also using an adoption drop. We are creating a partnership with lawyers in more than 40 countries and also with freelancers communities. We strive for a world of fairness, and with Jur we can create it.
Team took some suggestions from Gordon Einstein, a hybrid crypto attorney, technologist, and enterprise strategist who is always in the spotlight at the main blockchain events around the world. By 2016, the majority of Gordon's law practice involved working with cryptos, blockchain, fintech startups, and funds.
The reason I'm questioning everything is because I like your idea. If I didn't care, I'd be like, okay, that's great, go for it. Let me plant this idea. There's two things that strike me about what you just said, which is, on one hand, it's the gamification of justice, which sounds a little weird. Number two is, you're making at least some effective use of game theory and how that modifies human behaviors, and taking people's incentives and pushing them towards acting in a just manner. So maybe gamification is actually a good thing, but for me, it'd be the implementation and the experimentation to make sure you get it right over so many trials. Because the moment you start handing over your justice to a system and not to a person, that may be better, but you can't assume it's better.
The road to ICO is a long journey, and we can't wait to take the next step towards the future. Next stop, Dubai, for the World Blockchain Forum.